Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I'm doing yet another mukbang, mukbang, whatever, however you want to say it. And today I'm eating chili cheese fries, and this thing is still hot, so I'm using this. So chili cheese fries, and then I have also some cinnamon rolls here that I made as well. They're kind of ugly, I know, but whatever. I'm hoping that they taste good. Yeah, let's just get right into this food. No intro needed. I really have been wanting to keep doing mukbangs just because I like to do them and I seem to get more views on those videos. Hold up, let's taste this. Really good. So like I was saying, I've been wanting to do more mukbangs because I like doing them and I get more views, like I said. But at the same time, like, eating out all the time is expensive and very unhealthy, obviously. But I was like, I don't know if I can keep doing them because I can't just keep buying food just to eat on camera. But mukbang doesn't have to be fast food, so I was like, I can just make what I want to eat. So I was craving chili cheese fries, so I just figured I'd make them. I just grabbed some frozen fries from the freezer section and made those, and then I used the Hormel chili with beans. You can get it without, but I like the beans. And then just regular shredded cheese. I got mild cheddar. I got some ranch. I don't know if I'll use it though. Like, I'm not a huge person on condiments. I know it's kind of plain, but anyway, so hot. Let's get ooh. Oh my gosh, this cheese won't break. I told my boyfriend the other day, because he's like, how's your YouTube channel going? And I was like, oh, it's good. I'm like, I've been doing a lot more mukbangs. And he's like, a what? And I was explaining to him what a mukbang was. And he was like, that's weird. He's like, oh my gosh, you eat on the camera? And I'm like, yeah, it's like you're eating with your friends or whatever. Anyways, he didn't understand it. He was just like, thought it was the weirdest thing ever. I have in my drink here, I have the V8 Splash, you know, like the V8 juices, and it's watermelon cherry is the flavor. I don't like that one as much. I usually get the berry, well, I have the berry one, but I decided to try that one. I don't like it as much. It just tastes like Kool-Aid almost. That one's, I feel like everything I say tastes like Kool-Aid, but it really does taste like the watermelon cherry Kool-Aid. Try some ranch. So yeah, I haven't, my last video was a mukbang, which was like posted over a week ago, and I haven't posted anything since then because I actually got the flu last weekend. And I was as done. Like, I was so dead. Like, for real, I was sick as, yeah. It's good with the ranch. But yeah, last weekend I didn't do anything. I was just in bed, and then I had to work all week with the flu, and it sucked so bad. So yeah, I haven't been posting. And I don't know. I just feel like I wasn't really getting a lot of views or feedback on like my vlogs and my makeup videos. Don't get me wrong, I really love makeup still, but I just feel like it's really hard to have a makeup channel. And that's honest. Like, it's hard to have it's hard to have a makeup channel that's like relevant, that's like above the rest, you know? Because there's a lot of people who do makeup. And a lot of people who follow like the bigger names, if they want to watch a tutorial, they usually will probably go to that channel. You know, like a Maddie MUA or something like that. And I'm not like saying it's a bad thing, but I just feel like having a makeup channel do really well is a lot harder. So I've just kind of been incorporating stuff that I like, that I'm into. And just seeing how it goes. But like I said, I seem to get more on my mukbangs, which is fine because I freaking love mukbangs. I don't know. I don't know about these fries. Like, they're good, but I feel like they're missing something. I'm kind of getting full off of these. I just left it in the baking dish. I was like, I'm not gonna dirty another plate and then cleanse my palate. Let's try a cinnamon roll, shall we? They're so ugly. I was so lazy when I cooked these. Let's get some of the cinnamon roll stuff. Oh my gosh. So good. They're like crunchy. It's like crunchy on the outside and like warm and melty on the inside. Okay, I'm gonna stop saying But it's really Sorry, I can't talk. These are really good. So, after this video, I'm gonna film a video with my daughter, which I think will go up before this. I'm doing like a transforming my daughter into me. She's been wanting to do it for a while. She's 8 years old. And if you don't know me personally, my daughter looks just like me. like without makeup. So it's not gonna be that hard. But it'll be fun to like let her put makeup on and stuff. I know with like mukbangs, you're supposed to like finish all your food, but I'm like, it's bad because I'm not like skinny, obviously. I'm like a little bit overweight, but when it comes to food, like I can't eat like a lot in one sitting. I don't know why, but I've never been able to eat like just eat and finish my plate. So yeah, it's just not how I eat. I think I'm more overweight because of the type of food that I'm eating, obviously. But we ain't talking about that in this video. Okay, I'm just gonna have another piece of this. I feel like it's so far away you can't see. Ew, don't mind my dirty ass finger. I am a sweets person though. Like I can have sweets before I have food, which is bad. Those are good. These were just like the Kroger brand, the giant cinnamon rolls. So it came in like 4. And honestly, I can't believe that I even like post videos of me eating on the internet, because I used to be really self-conscious about eating. But I think watching mukbangs and realizing that everyone has to freaking eat, whether you're overweight or not, I don't know, it just kind of gave me more confidence, I guess. Whoa. Because I used to hate even just eating like in public. Okay, I'm gonna have one more bite of this. So the fact that I like make videos eating is crazy. Okay, last bite. I'm done. I surrender to the food. Alright. I'm gonna go catch my breath. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for eating with me today. If you have any suggestions on certain foods that you want to see and eat with me, then comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe either. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.